Today we're making a warm and comforting pumpkin cream soup. Simple ingredients, creamy texture, and perfect for cooler days. Let's get started. Pumpkin cream soup. 1 kilogram of pumpkin, peeled and seeds removed. 2 chopped onions. 2 yellow potatoes peeled. 2 grated carrots. 2 celery stalks. 2 chopped garlic cloves. 2 liters of water. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of butter. Croutons. Salt and pepper to taste. Add butter to a medium pot over medium heat. Once melted, add the chopped onions and grated carrots. Season with salt and pepper and let it sauté. Add the garlic and mix well. Add the pumpkin, potato, and celery pieces. Pour in the water and bring to a boil. Lower the heat and cook for about 15 minutes until everything is soft. Using an immersion blender, blend the soup until thick and smooth. Serve with green onions and croutons with a drizzle of olive oil. And there you have it! A creamy pumpkin soup that's simple and delicious. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or cozy evenings at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Faça e coma! Cook the onion slowly so it becomes sweet and flavorful. The softer the vegetables, the creamier the soup will be. Blend gradually for an extra silky texture.